Welcome to Portimao!
Welcome to a new adventure with Java Walker World. Today we bring you Portugal, one of the top tourist destinations for travelers. Portugal's culture, history, nature, and diverse landscape are just a few reasons why travelers are drawn to this beautiful country. So stay with us as we visit outstanding Portuguese beaches, ancient cities, quaint villages, and savor the marvelous food, wine, and coffee. Come walk with us.
Did you make it? Did you break free? Did you manage to be who you wanna be? Maybe somewhere you think about me too.
Cheers! Our first galon here in Portugal, and it doesn't mean what it sounds like back home in North America. It is not a gallon of coffee.
So hi friends, you can hear the espresso machine working. I was just chatting with Frank and I noticed there's a barbershop just where we are. We're in a mall having coffee. There's a barbershop across the hall, and I mentioned to Frank, oh, there you can have a haircut there, you know, towards the end of our trip. And he says, oh, no. This haircut.
It will last me. The last one lasted me 3 months, so this one will last me. I got it down short, nice to the wood. nice and close. But finding the coffee shop, which we didn't find, we Googled a coffee shop, Mundo Cafe, and it took us to a brick wall. When we found the Google thing, down to a brick wall. So sad to say, we finally found a sub of it, which is a quick little in the mall.
We found that.
Yeah, it's in the mall. So one Tylenol later, I'm having a coffee. So we're enjoying it here before we actually take possession of the accommodation.
Yes, but my point with the haircut thing, because we digress, is Frank said, oh no, I don't need another haircut while we're here. This haircut is going to last me, the one that's down to the wood, as he was saying. And I said to him, that's a great way of saving money. If they say you should cut your hair every 6 weeks, well, just stretch it to every 9 weeks or 12 weeks, and then you'll save a bundle of money.
It's like saving on laundry. Turn your underwear inside out.
Oh my gosh.
Just joking.
Did you say that out
Just
loud?
joking. All right, so we're in a clump of buildings here, but they're not very well numbered.
Can you talk louder?
They're not very well numbered, and we're trying to figure it out. We talked to the lady, which she was very nice, and she says it's partially blue, yellow, and rust color. That narrows it down, as you can see.
There was an orange building in front of us.
Building. They all have the same colors. So I think we're close, but
let's see.
We've already been at it for about 20 minutes trying to find it, going around here, there.
Oh well, the challenge is always when you first settle into a new spot.
Yeah, but let's go looking.
So come with us and check out our unit. We think it's pretty sweet.
Looks like a big meal.
Oh my God, yeah, I got enough here until next Tuesday.
Lots of carbs there, potatoes and rice. How do you feel about that?
Yeah, no, good. It's actually very good. Didn't think there was going to be rice, but...
And there's my meal. This is half a small chicken, what they call a frango. It looks great.
Well, good morning. We managed to scrape ourselves out of bed. Boy, were we ever tired. But here we are the following day, and we are deciding to take a walk through, get ourselves oriented here. Now, we do know that Portimao has two waterfronts. They have the downtown waterfront, which is off of a river, I guess shelter for boating and so forth. So there's marinas here, and this is where the downtown is, or where the old town of Portimao is located. And so you see a lot of that. We're going to walk through, and we're also going to take you over to where the cliffs are, which is the ocean coastal area where those dramatic cliffs are. And we're going to take a look at that as well. So come along, let's go for a walk and check out Portimao. In case you missed it, last Thursday we did a video, just a walkabout video of Old Town Portimao, and it has all the natural sounds, or what we call the organic sounds of this old town. If you want to check that out, we will have it on the end screen of this video. If you're enjoying this video, give us a like. What we have noticed about Portugal is that it is very tidy. You don't see garbage flying around or anything like that. It's very, very clean. They have a great recycle and garbage program here. It's quite fascinating. Maybe in a future video, I'll share that with you. There is one thing about the cleanliness of Portimao, or even Portugal, that I've noticed, and I'll share that with you in just a moment. Here's a culture shock for you. We have poop and scoop laws in North America. Here, I guess every dog or every owner to its devices.
Poop and keep on walking.
But so we have to constantly have our feet down,
Our eyes down.
our eyes down, our feet up. It's funny because it's the same way when we go to Costa Rica for the winter. It's the same way. Lots of poop, and but there the roads are in extremely bad condition. Here the roads are very nice, very different. You can see how pretty they are.
About France, not written at France in general, but Paris, Paris, about there being poop all over the place. This is what
I think it's like that here too. I think it's a very European maybe thing, maybe not all of Europe. Let me know in the comments what you think. But that is a culture shock for us to see all the poop on the ground, and there's a lot of it here. And as you can tell, sorry for the car noise, as you can tell, we are in a really nice neighborhood. So it has nothing to do with any of that. It's just a culture, I guess. So Portimao, the side that we just walked through, where the old town is, was about 15 minutes away of a walk from where we're staying. And here we are now at the ocean front where all the cliffs are, and that was about 20-minute walk. So
not too shabby. This looks really nice. Come and walk with us.
There's some caves here too. Look at this. Isn't that cool? There's the Elephant Rock again.
Portimão has lovely walking trails all along the south coast, along the Atlantic Ocean here. And the trails just go on, and they're very, very interesting and not all that difficult because it's relatively flat unless you want to go down to the beach. But we love it. It's just beautiful. Wow, Portimão has not disappointed us at all. The beaches are completely outstanding, and there are lots of trails to walk, and lots of culture here, and good food, fine restaurants, and just easy-go budget restaurants as well. We are very pleased with our choice of coming to Portimão. And just to give you a heads up, our next video this coming Sunday and on Thursday will be of Alvor. We will do a walkabout on Thursday of Alvor, and then we'll do our vlog of Alvor. Very pretty resort style town, and it's only about 20 minutes away from Portimão, not very far at all. And if you'd like to follow us on our other socials, you can find us at Instagram at Java Walker World, Facebook at Java Walker, and of course, YouTube at Java Walker World. See you next week.